Hello, love. Welcome in the field of love. A global, authentic, and radiant community. The field of love is a powerful place where you can recharge and recenter. You are being invited to connect again and again to your highest self, to attune to an endless field available to you where you can nourish your heart and soul in the pure presence, in the essence of love. It's an online sanctuary where you will bathe in high uplifting frequencies, supporting your ascension process and that of the collective. You can join through a monthly or annual membership and benefit from many meditations, activations, transmissions, affirmations, and sacred crystal light codes. By joining the field of love, you become part of a global and growing heart-based community. This safe space supports you to reconnect with the vast field of love that creation consists of, and to remember your innate truth. Being aligned with the power of love strengthens you in every aspect of your being. It expands your sense of freedom, sovereignty, and joy. It enables you to tap into the wisdom that is stored within you and that is accessible through the heart, by activating your multidimensional DNA and reuniting all soul parts. Divine union within is being enhanced by specifically focusing on divine feminine energies and masculine energies to realign and re-merge. When you make time each day to connect with your soul, you'll get a deep feeling of newfound energy, purpose, clarity, and balance within your heart, body, mind, and spirit. It all starts within. As a member of the field of love, you'll have unlimited access to an ongoing and growing stream of meditations, activations, transmissions, and sacred crystal light codes without any commercials. You can join monthly online gatherings of our community with a 1 to 1.5 hour guided meditation, activation, or transmission. You'll become part of a heart-based community. You'll get a discount for several online courses, events, sessions, spiritual journeys, and retreats. I have a dream. I dream of people feeling sovereign and free, loved and happy. I have a vision of people meeting heart to heart and seeing soul to soul. I have this inner knowing that we will overcome any polarity and embody consciousness reigned by unity. Much love to you. Always and always feel very welcome to join us in the field of love.
We are now reminded to be aware of our place upon this earth and to fulfill our obligations to ourselves, our families, nations, the natural world, and to the Creator. The words say, we are to awaken, stand up, be counted. For you are being recognized in the spirit.